Welcome back people. Let's learn about objects in this video. In reference type category, we have object, array and functions. Now let's look at object. So what is an object? An object in JavaScript is like an object in real life. It has various properties. When we are dealing with multiple related variables, then we can group them together and put them inside an object. Let's say we have two variables, employee ID with the value of 200 and employee name with the value s.t. They both belong to a particular object, that is an employee. So instead of declaring two variables, let's declare an employee object. We call the curly braces as object literal. We can add one or more key value pair between the literals. The key or the properties in this example ID and name, and they have their own values. In this example we have 200 and s.t. Let's print this. So when you print it, you get both employee ID and employee name as output. We can work with this property of an object in two ways. One, using the dot notation. Let's see an example. We can use the dot notation to read the property as well. So you get 500 as output. The other way to read a property is using square brackets. Let's see how that works. So when you use a square brackets, you get the same output, that is 500. Now both dot and bracket notations does the same work. Although the dot notation is short and easy to use, we can always use the bracket notation when we don't know the name of the property beforehand. That is, if the property has to be selected in the runtime. Let's say we have a variable select and it stores the name of the property selected in the runtime. In such cases, we can use bracket notations. So I hope you would have understood the example as well as the concept of objects. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.